recently I checked the TikTok ads and also this landing page, and when I just land on this page, I feel like there is just a room to make this page really better, to increase the conversion rate. And definitely we can do the A/B testing for more result. But if you are a founder, or if you have a business like this, or any different have a landing pages, I think this video gonna definitely help you a lot. Okay, so the first thing, when I just land on this page, I think myself like, what is the benefit if I just like do this filter? What is the process and what is the benefit I will get? And also somewhere like this top bar, as you can see, saying see details. Maybe we could make like shop now or something like that. It's gonna much more better. So if I show you the solution that what I just make here, so I use AI like Figma Make to make the solutions. So this is the sections I just make here. Now if you see, this is before, this is mainly the after, and I feel like at this that this is much more cleaner. Like after about Zoomy challenge, clean pop, happy home, house included, and then also this subtitle and 3 bullet points are really better. Also like try on TikTok with logos and like it's trust elements here, like 10,000 plus paid parent joined already, and no purchase required to purchase it. So a lot of like questions in mind people are just getting instead of clicking on this button. So they're just getting all of the answers at once, so that it's making easier so that people can click on this button. Also, if you just scroll down a little bit, then we're just saying about the campaign, like if they try the filter, how to how they can do it. Also, what is the benefit they will get if they try this filter themselves. But the current design is totally missing also. And also one other things I was thinking of myself, maybe we definitely need to do A/B testing. That's like, we could like add here in a GIF, like a video type of thing that will playing on the left side. People can feel, okay, this is the video that's need to be clicking on. Something like this, if you see here, like this, like this type of video icon we could use. And also this type of GIF, we could definitely use it. It's something like showing like people just trying to record and they're like chows included, everything. Like this type of video, that's as you can see, like this type of thing. That's where we can easily understand what it is mainly. Okay, so this is the two things I was thinking that we could really add it here, so that it's going to be much more clear that what is include and what is it mainly, and what is the process of gaining this, and what is the benefit they will get here. Okay, the next thing I feel myself, like on this card, there is nothing review. And also if you just somehow filter it, like this is a bestseller product, this is the newly added, this is most popular. So like this type of batch, if you're just going to add it, it's going to be much more better. People like feel easier, like telling, like it's going to be easier to make a decision. Okay, this is the best product for like pet cleaning products, so they can easily choose and see that in details. Also the current design, I see like they have a review right now, and it's pretty much good amount of good review they have. But about the buttons, I feel like it's much more better to go with add to cart like this type of button instead of like this. Maybe this looks much more prominent, but also we could try and do A/B testing, like if it's really good, because instead of button, we are like focusing on this, all of these elements at once. Yeah. The next section, let's keep it as it is, and same card, we could do like the same things on here. And the next section, there is nothing, as you can see, it's really empty, but I was thinking like maybe we could add here some risk reversal things. For example, 30 days money back guarantee, like some common question that people are facing during purchasing thing online. Maybe we could just answer it, like money back guarantee, like shipping things, also like clean ingredients, certified receipt, like this type of thing we could say, so that people feel, okay, this is something trustable, and we could trust, and we could like place our order in here, this on this website. And this FAQ, we could really make it like center something, it's gonna be better. Yeah, this is the few feedbacks on my mind about this landing page for TikTok. And definitely, if we design it, definitely we're gonna make the mobile version also. So now the part is like, if you are just making landing pages or running ads, make sure that what you're showing on the ads, make sure it's similar to the landing page, so that people can easily connect the same thing. And it's definitely need to be meaningful, something like telling how much easy way to explain people, so that people can easily understand what you said mainly. And it's need to be like benefit oriented, and definitely need to cover all of the issues that people get mind or getting like barrier purchasing this product. For example, what if the like barrier people get, like is this like need to be purchased, so you already give the answer. And also some of the more answer we're just telling them before going to the actions. So yeah, that's it. Let me know guys if you have any brands yourself like running ads or have an issue with conversion. Let me know in my inbox, then definitely I will do a free audit and make a video for you that how you could just make a really better with the conversions.